Dates are the healthiest fruit and also a cure. Dates are one of the most beneficial fruits. You can consume them as snacks or as an addition to sweet dishes, cakes, and desserts. They are known as the healthiest fruit, which offers numerous health benefits. Here are several health benefits they offer. Support eye health. Dates contain zeaxanthin and lutein, which are highly beneficial vitamins for the eye retina and macula. Thus, improve eyesight and prevent macula damage due to aging. Reduce high blood pressure. These fruits are abundant in calcium. Consuming only 5 to 6 dates provide 80 mg magnesium, which dilates the blood vessels. According to studies, entering 370 mg of magnesium every day regulates high blood pressure. Weight loss. Dates suppress appetite and provide nutrients that help to lose extra weight. But be careful with your servings, because they are high in sugar. Dates are rich in iron. They are served to treat anemia, due to a rich source of iron. 100 grams dates provide 11% of the recommended daily intake. Additionally, iron improves the oxygen flow to the brain. Treat diarrhea. Dates are loaded with calcium, which refreshes the intestinal flora, renews gut bacteria, and treats diarrhea. Prevent strokes. The potassium found in dates protects the nervous system and lowers the risk of strokes by 40%. Dates improve digestion. Dates are rich in fiber, which helps digestion. They have many vital nutrients, which treat heart issues, prevent strokes, prevent cancer, and regulate cholesterol levels. Brain food. Dates also contain phosphorus, which supports the health of the brain. Improved libido. For better sexual life, just soak a few dates in goat milk and leave them overnight. The next day blend them, add cardamom and honey. This will increase your energy and strength. Help delivery. An experiment at Jordan University found that consuming dates regularly for 4 weeks can ease the pain and regulate bleeding. Treat constipation. These fruits detoxify the body, treat constipation and help digestion. Just leave a few dates in water overnight, to release juices that act as laxatives. In the morning eat them, thus will speed up metabolism, improve digestion, and support intestine health. Strengthen the heart. Dates are very beneficial in the case of heart diseases. Leave them in water to soak overnight, and blend them in the morning. Drink the smoothie throughout the day.